To begin using checklist alerts, the first thing we have to do is indicate what checklist detail status will provoke an alert. Here we have the different statuses that have been defined for your school. Notice some of these are marked as sufficient, meaning they conclude whatever checklist item they're put against. And here we have the trigger alert. You indicate which of these items will raise an alert. Once that's been set, then let's go to our admissions checklist. We have different packages here. Let's just look at one. Here's a number of action items corresponding to forms to be completed. We can set the initial status. We can also indicate whether or not we want to raise an alert. Notice that we haven't named these, and we really should to make it more clear. All right. So now, when any of the statuses that produce a trigger an alert hit on this one, an alert will be raised of this type. Now remember, the green means that the alert will be raised and no questions will be asked. If you want to be asked, for instance, whether or not to send or not send the alert and to change the subscription list, you should use the blue question mark. If you don't want any alert to be raised, that's the blank. Now once that's been raised, so now let's take a look at it. Let's do this student again. I'll minimize this to give me a little bit more room. I'm going to change this to some other value. Now when I change it to complete, it should raise this alert. Now notice here, this was copied over earlier, and this alert is set like this. I'm going to change it to a question mark so that it will ask me whether or not I want to do it. Let me mark it as complete, and here it comes. So here's the alert caption and the details of the message showing you that a completed form of the application form and the status is now complete, and here's who's supposed to get it. This is okay, so I'll send it. There. I've now started using checklist alerts. If I come back to my window, hit refresh, and there it is. Because I've chosen to show alerts created for me, in a few minutes, that alert will pop up here.